Appreciate that, sister. Thank you, thank you. God, there are so many questions. I don't even know which one to ask. All right, I'm just gonna pick random questions, guys, okay? Oh my God, we have 528 people. Awesome. This is amazing. For those new people that have just jumped on, if you guys could hit the like button, please, that would be greatly appreciated. All right, so this is a good question from Earth Angel 444. Earth Angel 444 is asking, do you have any information regarding any positive activities for the rest of September? Um, Other than that, the biggest CME ever coming in that could literally transform us, change our genetics, or at least complete the genetic mutation process. I don't know. I don't know if anything else could happen. Oh, we could also have the fall of Brandon and the people above him, right?